paper number 675. Now in this question number 66 to 70. Now in this 66 to 70, what is the information here? 8 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a circular table facing the center, but not necessarily in the same order. Each one of them likes a different festival. What is the parameter added here? Different festival. 8 different festivals were there, but not necessarily in the same order. Then condition number 1, G sits third to the right of the one who likes Pongal, isn't it? Now as all these persons are facing towards the center, now we have to fix one of these persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am fixing the person who likes Pongal here. Then G sits third to the right of the one who likes Pongal, G must be here. G sits third to the right of the one who likes Pongal, and only one person sits between G and D. As only one person between G and D, how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Either D is to the second left hand side of G or second to the right hand side. Now the other possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the one who likes Pongal is here, and G sits third to the right of the one who likes Pongal, and one person between G and D, G is here. Done with this, we have 2 possibilities. Then what is the next information here? Only one person between G and D. The one who likes Eid sits second to the left of D. Eid sits second to the left of D, and in the first case the one who likes Eid must be here, and in the second case and sits second to the left of D, and that is G likes Eid. The one who likes Eid sits second to the left hand side of D. The one who likes Holi is an immediate neighbor of the one who likes Eid. Holi and Eid are adjacent to each other. In the first case, Holi is here, and in the second case, Holi can be here or Holi can be here. There are 2 possibilities, isn't it? And the one who likes Holi is an immediate neighbor of the one who likes Eid. Only 3 people sit between the one who likes Holi and A. Among these 8 persons, 3 persons is nothing but they are opposite to each other. Hence, in the first case, Holi and A are opposite, and in the second case, Holi and A are opposite to each other. As Holi and A are opposite to each other, A can be here or A can be here. There are 2 possibilities. The next one, the one who likes Diwali sits to the immediate right hand side of H. H is not an immediate neighbor of D. H is not an immediate neighbor of D, and in the first case, H cannot be here, isn't it? And the one who likes Diwali sits to the immediate right of H, and H cannot be here, H cannot be here, and H cannot be here. Then what is the only possibility left over here? H must be at this place. Are you following this one or not? And if H is here, the one who likes Diwali sits to the immediate right hand side of H, and the one who likes Diwali must be at this place. Done with this? And Diwali is to the immediate right hand side of H, and H is not an immediate neighbor of D. Next one, B sits second to the right of H. B is seated second to the right of H. Now here, this B likes Holi, and only one person between B and the one who likes Christmas. B and the one who likes Christmas, this H must be Christmas, isn't it? Only one person between these 2. And next one, and the one who likes Onam sits second to the left of the one who likes Lohari. Onam sits second to the left of the one who likes Lohari. Onam is here. If Onam is here, and this Lohari must be at this place. Then C sits to the immediate left of F. As C is to the immediate left hand side of F, now this is C likes Eid and F likes Pongal. Then who is the person left over here? As tell me the person who is left over is E. E likes Diwali, isn't it? Now this is how these 8 persons are seated around this circular table, and they like different festivals. Now the second possibility we have left here only. Why? Because there are 2 possibilities, and in the first information more than 60% of the information is filled there, and so we have stuck to the first information only. Done? Then question number 66. Who among the following is equidistant from G and the one who likes Diwali? G and the one who likes Diwali. As tell me who is that person equidistant? H. H, that is choice 3. Then question number 67. Who among the following likes Ganesh Chaturthi? As tell me who is the person left over here? A. Now this A likes Ganesh Chaturthi, that is choice 4. Then 68. Which of the following statements is true regarding E? E sits to the immediate left of the one who likes Holi. E is to the immediate left of the one who likes Holi, that is definitely true, choice 1. Then question number 69. Who among the following sits second to the left of C? Sits second to the left of C, that is E, the one who likes Diwali, that is choice 4. Then question number 670. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Now in this A and Christmas, A and Christmas, as A is seated second to the left of Christmas, B and Lohri. Now this B and Lohri and B is south to the right of Lohri. F and Ganesh Chaturthi. F is seated second to the left of Ganesh Chaturthi. And so what is your answer? B. Choice 2. Except this one, and in the remaining choices, that person is seated second to the left of the person, the festival it likes. Then 71 to 75. Now in this question number 71 to 75, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H were born in 3 different months of the same year, but not necessarily in the same order, namely January, February and April. How many persons are there? 8 persons. How many months are there? Only 3 months are there. That means more than one person born in each of these, isn't it? Each of these months. Hence it comes under which category? Common distribution. As it comes under common distribution, now we have to divide this one according to the months. What is the first month here? Jan. And next one is Feb. And Jan, Feb and April are the 3 months. Now total 8 persons are there. These 8 persons were born in 3 different months, and each one of them, and at the same time, not less than 2 people and not more than 3 people were born in a month, and at least 2, at the most 3. That means, now tell me whether if there are 2 persons who were born in Jan, and in the remaining 2 months it must be 3 and 3. And if there are 2 persons born in Feb, and the remaining Jan and April, it must be 3 and 3, isn't it? That means if you could able to find out one month which is having, in which 2 persons were born, the next 2 will be 3 and 3. Then A was born in Feb with only the one who likes pink. Now A born in Feb and with only the one who likes pink, then that means in the month of February, how many persons? There are only 2 persons. Who are those 2? One is A and the next one is the one who likes pink. As 2 persons were born in Feb and in the remaining 2 months, Jan and April, there must be 3 and 3 persons. Done? Next one. And B likes green and was not born in the month of April. B likes green and was not born in the month of April. Now this B cannot be in the month of February because B likes green color, hence B must be born in the month of Jan. B is green, born in month of Jan. And next one, and D and B were born in the same month. As D and B were born in the same month, B born in Jan, D also born in Jan. D and B were born in the same month. The one who likes yellow was born in January. No, sir, yellow was born in January, either D or some other person, and D does not like yellow. Hence, the third person who was born in January likes yellow. Then, next one. The one who likes black was born in the same month as that of yellow. Black and yellow in the same month, and this B must be black. D is black. Then, F was not born in April. As F was not born in April, F must be in the month of Feb. That is the only thing left over. And N does not like yellow. And this F does not like yellow. Hence, F cannot be in Jan. F must be in Feb. E and C were born in April. Now, E and C were born in April. The one who likes blue was not born in April, and the one who likes blue must be A, isn't it? A, that is blue, and the one who likes blue was not born in April. H likes orange. H likes orange, and so where should this H? H must be in the month of April. H likes orange and was born in the same month as the one who likes red. Either E or C likes red. E does not like red, and so this C likes red color. Now check out the colors here: green, black, yellow, blue, pink, red and orange were done. Now we are left with silver. Now this E likes silver. Done? Then who is the person after here? A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And G likes yellow. And he was born in the month of Jan. Clear now? It comes under common parameter. Hence we have divided this one according to the months. Then question number 71. Who among the following likes silver? Yes, who among the following likes silver here? E, that is choice 2. Then 72. As per the given arrangement, which of the following combination represents only the people who were born in Jan? Only the people who were born in Jan. Who are those three? B, D and G. B, D and G choice please. G and D, isn't it? That is choice 5. Next one. Question number 73. As per the given arrangement, which of the following persons represent the one who was born in the same month as that of F? Now A, choice 4. 74. Which of the following combinations is correct? As per the given arrangement here, February silver, that is false. Jan blue, that is also false. January silver, that is again false. Feb and blue, that is definitely true, choice 4. Isn't it? 74, it is choice 4. Then question number 75. Which of the following colors does F like? As tell me, F likes which color? F likes pink color, that is choice 2 is the answer. Then question number 76 to 80. And this again comes under puzzle. Now in this one, 7 movies, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are scheduled to be launched in 7 different days of the same week, starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Now we need to discuss from Monday to Sunday. Starting is given and ending is also given. Now whenever the days were given, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then only 3 movies will be released before D. And each movie also belongs to a different genre. And whenever these months or floors are given, now we need to represent at the center, extend the lines like this. Only 3 movies will be released before D. As only 3 movies will be released before D, hence tell me where should this D? D must be on Thursday. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday are the 3 released before this D. And only 1 movie will be released between D and a musical. Between D and a musical we must have only 1 movie. As D is here, and the movie based on musical can be either on Saturday or can be on Tuesday. And so how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Now this musical based movie released either on Saturday or on Tuesday. Hence 2 possibilities, we are writing the second possibility as well. The next one. Only 3 movies will be released between musical and the epic. Between musical and epic there must be exactly 3. And exactly 3 between musical and epic, epic is here. Exactly 3 between musical and epic. And movie where F will be released exactly between D and epic. F is exactly between D and epic. Now here also F is exactly between D and epic. Next one. Only 2 movies will be released between F and A. Between F and A there must be exactly 2. Here also there must be exactly 2 between F and A. And next one. The suspense movie will be released immediately after A. Immediately after A, the movie based on suspense. Immediately after A, the movie based on suspense. Then, immediately after A, movie G will be released on one of the days after A. G is one of the months after, one of the days after A, but not Wednesday. One of the months after J, one of the days after A, but not on Wednesday. In the second case, the G can be either on Saturday or Sunday, and out of which G is not an epic movie. G cannot be on Saturday, hence G must be released on Sunday. Only one movie will be released between G and a horror. G and a horror, there must be exactly one, hence the movie on horror must be on Friday, and G and a horror, now here also it must be on Friday. And movie B will be released immediately after movie E. B is immediately after E, and in the first case B is immediately after E, that is Tuesday and Monday. Now in the second case B is immediately after E is not possible, isn't it? Because there are no adjacent to vacant places. Second case is ruled out, now we are left with only first one. And in this one, only two movies will be released between E and thriller. Now between E and thriller we must have exactly two movies. Exactly two between E and thriller, hence the movie on thriller must be released on Thursday. And next one, the comedy movie will not be released on Monday, hence comedy cannot be Monday, hence comedy must be on Wednesday. Then what else is left over here? Romantic movie is left over, and that must be on Monday. Then, yes, what is the other movie left over here? A, B, C, and C must be released on Friday. Clear now? This is how these 7 movies were released on 7 different dates, and they belong to different genre. Then first one, on which of the following days will the horror movie be released? Horror will be released on Friday. Friday choice 3. Then 77, which of the following combinations will definitely be true as per the given arrangement? D, epic, and next one, Wednesday suspense, E, musical, Thursday thriller, definitely true, choice 4. Then question number 78, how many movies will be released after G? After G there is no movie, then choice 3. Then 79, which of the following statements is true? Movie F is a comedy movie, definitely true, isn't it? Hence choice 1. 79, it is choice 1. Then question number 80, which of the following movies will be released on Wednesday? F, a comedy movie, that is choice 1. Now this is about question number 76 to 80. Then 81 to 85, coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, it is based on coding and decoding for 5 marks. Then first compare statement 1 and statement 2. If you compare these two, tell me what is the word which is common here. Now between statement 1 and statement 2, economics and industries together. Economics are developing nations. Economics is the only word which is common between these two. As economics is common, then what is the code common here? BX. And the code to the word economics is BX. Then if you compare the first and the third, now first and the third if you compare here, and industries together, here industries is the word which is common. As industries is common, then tell me what is the code common here? Code is ST. Industries is ST, here also ST, industries. Then compare the first and the fourth, and together. Together is the word which is common. And what is the code common between these two? And the code is NY. And the code to the word together is NY, here also NY. Now in the first statement, ND is left over, and the code is MU. The code to the word ND is MU. Then compare second and third. Now if you compare the second and third of developing nations, and nations depend on industries, nations and nations is common. As nations is common here, tell me what is the code which is common? J, XJ is common. And the code to the word nations is XJ, XJ. Then next one, of and developing. Now developing is common between the first and the fourth. And the code which is common between these two is CS, DP, AI. AI is common. Developing is AI. Now in the second statement, of is left over and the code which is left is RK. The code to the word of is RK, of RK. Next one, third and the fourth, depend on. Now depend on, any word common between these two? No. Hence these two will be left as it is. Next one, together, development and countries, isn't it? And prosper. Yes, what are the words left over in this one? Prosper and countries. Countries, is countries repeated anywhere else? No. Hence countries and prosper as well be left over. CS and NP. CS and NP for countries and prosper. Countries and prosper. The codes are CS, DP, CS and DP. And similarly, depend on, depend and on, here also two words are left and the codes are OLGH. The next one, what is the code for nations? Nations is XJ, choice 5. Then 82, which of the following may represent industries stand together? Industry stands for ST and stand stands for stand, no word, stand here, and together stands for what? NY. ST, NY. Now in this one, ST, NY, this is a possibility, this is a possibility. Choice 3 is ruled out, and choice 4 there is a possibility. Choice 5 is again ruled out. Now between 1, 2 and 4, then stand. What can be the stand? PO. Can PO be the code for stand or not? As PO is not repeated any in the given codes, hence PO is the code, choice 1. Then 83, what does the code GH stands for? Now the GH stands for what? Depend or on or depend, that is choice 4. Then question number 84, which of the following may possibly represent countries today? Now countries could be CS, DP, and today is what? And today, is there any word called today here? No. Now countries today in the given code language. Now countries, CS or DP, and today? Now countries could be CS or DP. Then what about this today here? Now among the given choices, DP is here, QR is not present, hence it can be your answer. And next one, and CS, AI cannot be the code because AI is the code for development. MU cannot be the code because it is the code for end. DP cannot be the code because it can be the code for countries or prosper. And choice 5, DPMU cannot be the answer. Hence, what is your answer? Only choice 1. Then 85, what is the code for economics? BX, choice 1. Now this is about question numbers 81 to 85. Then 86 to 90. Now these 5 are based on coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, input, how many elements are there? 10 elements. How many steps? 5 steps. That means in each step exactly 2 elements were arranged, and out of which wages, obeys, cadre, habit and unfit. Yes, what is the order of these elements here? Yes, is there any particular pattern here? Yes, what is the pattern followed? Cheppandi. W highest word at the left hand side, and next highest word from the right hand side, next obeys, next habit, next cadre, isn't it? Then first highest word from the first from the left, and next highest word, second from the right, next third from the left, and fourth from the left, right, and sixth from the left, and so on, fifth from the left. And similarly numbers, 84 highest, next one is 60, next one is 35, next is 28, next is 19. Now this is how the numbers and the words were arranged. Then coming to this one, now we need to identify the pattern followed in this cadre. Where is cadre here? Cadre is coming to the first place, and 60, habit, wages, 35, and 19. Now the least number. Least word at the first place, least number at the last place, isn't it? We are arranged in step 1, and in step 2, cadre shifted to the next place, and 19 shifted to the second from the right. And after this cadre, then the next number after 19 arranged at the first place, and next one, the word habit arranged at the last place. Clear? Because the words are interchanged and the numbers are also interchanged. Hence, in the first step, word and number left and right. Next, number and word left and right. Next, word and number left and right. Next one, word, number, next number. Next one, number, next word. Next again, word and a number. Now this is how these words and numbers were arranged. Now this is about question numbers 86 to 90. All these 5 questions are based on the same pattern. Then 91 to 95. Now question numbers 91 to 95 is based on 8 people JKLM, NOPQ are sitting in a straight line with equal distance between each other but not necessarily in the same order. Some of them are facing towards north and some of them are facing towards south. Some north and some south is given. Then M sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. M sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. Tell me how many possibilities. M can be either at the left extreme or M can be at the right extreme. 5, 6, 7, 8. M is at the left or at the right. Only 2 people between M and K. Only 2 people between M and K. It is also 2 people between M and K. Q sits third to the right of K. As Q is seated third to the right of K, 1, 2, 3, and Q is here. Q is seated third to the right of K, and this K must be facing towards north. Then only Q sits third to the right of K is valid. And in the second case, Q sits third to the right of K, Q must be here. Then only Q is third to the right of K. And J sits to the immediate left of Q. As J sits second to the left of Q. As J is seated second to the left of Q, now Q is here and this Q must be facing towards north, then J will be here. J sits second to the left of Q, and in this case Q is facing towards south, J must be here. J sits second to the left of Q. Both the immediate neighbors of J face opposite. Immediate neighbors of J faces opposite and immediate neighbors of J faces opposite. Both the immediate neighbors of J face opposite. Next one, L sits exactly between J and M. L is exactly between J and M, and between J and M, L must be exactly in between, and between J and M, L must be exactly in between. Isn't it? 2 places left or 2 places right is what we call it as exactly in between. And L is exactly in between J and M. Next one. And P sits to the immediate right of L. As P is to the immediate right of L, L must be facing towards south. P is to the immediate right hand side of L, L must be facing towards north. P is to the immediate left and next one, immediate right of L. Both P and J face the same direction as that of Q. That means P, J and Q are facing the same direction. In the first case, Q is north, hence P and J must also be towards north. And in the second case, Q is south, and this P and J must also be towards south. And next one, O faces north and is not an immediate neighbor of J. O is north and is not an immediate neighbor of J. O is here and is towards north. and O is towards north and is an immediate neighbor of J. O is towards which direction? O is towards north. O towards north, N is not an immediate neighbor of J, and O must be towards north. Clear? O faces north and is not an immediate neighbor of J. N and M face opposite directions. As N and M face opposite directions here, N is here. Now in this case, N will be here. N is facing south and M must be towards north. And in the second case, N is north, M is south. Next one. People seated at the extreme ends face opposite directions. Now in the first case, M and O are facing the same direction. In the second case, O and M are opposite. And the first case is ruled out. Now we are left with only the second one. Then 91. Who among the following sits third to the right of J? Third to the right of J, that is O, choice 5. Then question number 92. How many people face north as per the given arrangement? As per the given arrangement of how many people? There are 3 people. 3, that is choice 2, 92. Then question number 93. 4 out of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. Q and M. As Q and M, tell me how many persons? Q and M are south. N and K, opposite directions. O and N, same direction. K and P, same direction. J and L, same direction. J and L, opposite. Yes, any answer to this one? Then, first one. Now, Q and M, how many persons are there? 5 persons. N and K, 1 person. O and N, 1 person. K and P, there is 1. J and L, 1 person. Except choice 1. And in the remaining, there is exactly 1 person between this. How many people sit between L and K as per the given arrangement? As per the given arrangement, the persons between L and K is how much? 0. That is none, choice 2. Then 95. In the given arrangement, if 2 people come and sit to the left of L, isn't it? Then how many people in between L and J? Yes. How many people in between L and J? In the given arrangement, if 2 people come and sit to the immediate left of L, then there will be 3 persons between L and Z. L and J, 3, that is choice 5, 95. Then 96 to 100. Now these 96 to 100, these 5 are based on syllogisms. All documents are files. All these documents are files, and some files are records, and no record is a database, no intersection between these two. And first one, all database or document is a possibility. First one is a possibility, we can work out outwards. Second, some files are not database. No file is a database, some files are not database is true. Hence to make this one false, now we need to draw an alternate diagram because negative conclusion is true here. Some not is a negative conclusion. What is a complementary here? All files are database. Now in order to make that conclusion false, your diagram of database should be like this. Now tell me whether we can write database like this. If you draw database like this, then no database is a record will be false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn, this will be true forever. Then coming to the first one, all database or document is possible. All database or document. Now this is document. All database or document is possible or not? Why it is not possible here? All database or a document. Now this database is here. Now this database I am bringing to this place. Is it possible or not? Hence what is your answer here? All database. Now this green represents database. All database is document is possible. And the second one is also true. Hence both 1 and 2. It is choice 5. Then 97. Now in this 97, all days are week. All days are week. Next one, some weeks are months. All days are months, false. All months can never be days. All months can never be days means can never be stands for negative possibility. All months or days is not possible. Yes, tell me whether it is possible or not. All months or days. all months or days, both the statements are affirmative. For possibility, we can write it as a single diagram. Day equals to week equals to month. Then in this one, all months or days is possible, hence can never be possible is false. Then what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 1, 97. Then 98, some paints are brushes. Some of the paints are brush, paint and brush. All brushes are colors, brush and color. Some colors are liquid, color and liquid. First one, some colors are not paints, isn't it? Now that is true. All liquids are brushes is a possibility. We can work out outwards. Then first one is a negative conclusion. Now to make this one false, now we need to draw the complementary. All colors are paints. All colors are paints is possible or not? Now paint I am drawing like this. Now tell me, is it possible to write paint like this or not? Yes. Alternate diagram proven, previous conclusion will be false. And at the same time, all liquids are brushes is a possibility. As all the statements are affirmative, possibility, write it as a single diagram for all these P, B, C and L. And the second one is possible. Only two. Only two choice please. Only two, that is choice 5. 98 choice 5. Then 99. Now 99, some paints are brushes. Some of the paints or brushes can be written like this, paint and brush. Some paints are brushes. Next one, all brushes are colors. All these brushes are colors. And next one, some colors are liquid, color and liquid. And first one, some brushes are not liquid. Some brushes are not liquid. As of now, no brush is a liquid. Some brushes are not liquid is also true. And second one, all paints can never be liquid, it is a possibility. Then some brushes are not liquid. In order to make this one false, now we need to prove all brushes are liquid. Now tell me, is it possible to draw like this or not? All brushes are liquids, isn't it? Hence it is possible here. Hence alternate diagram proven, previous conclusion false. Then second one, all paints can never be liquid. Now in order to make this one, now can never be is negative possibility. Now we need to prove all paints are liquids is possible. Now tell me, is it possible or not? As all the statements are affirmative, P equals to B equals to C equals to L, we can write it as a single diagram. Hence it is possible. Here his statement is can never. It is not possible, hence it is wrong. Then what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2. Choice 2 is the answer. Then question number 100. Now in this one, all documents are files. All these documents are files. And next, some files are records. And no record is a database. No record is a database. Then first one, no document is a record. Definitely true. Some documents are records, that is false. And to make this one false, now we need to prove it's the alternate diagram. That is, some documents are record is possible. Hence alternate diagram proven, previous conclusion is false. Then check out for the second conclusion which was false in the basic diagram. That is, some documents are records. Now these some documents are records has become true. When the first one is true, second is false, first is false, second is true. Hence either 1 or 2, choice 5. Done? And this is about question number 100. Now paper number 675, 66 to 100. Yes, anything left out in this one? Much upon any doubts on wrong number series. Question numbers 36 to 40. Now in this 36 to 40, wrong number series, and 502, 498 and so on. The numbers are decreasing at a smaller rate, and it must be under which category? Difference. Now here the difference between these two is 2 and 4. Here the difference is how much? 4 is the difference between these two. Next one 7. Next 63 and 91. Tell me what is the difference here? 28. Next one 463 and 398. And this is 65. Yes, what are these numbers? 28 and 65? Fine. Now this 28 can be written as 3 cube plus 1, and this 65 is 4 cube plus 1. And the previous numbers must be 2 cube plus 1 and 1 cube plus 1. 1 cube plus 1 and 2 cube plus 1 should be added here. As what is 1 cube plus 1 here? 504. Now, first 1 cube plus 1 is 2 must be added here. If you 2 added or subtracted? Subtracted. Now, here 2 must be subtracted here. Hence, 502 minus 2, this is 500. If 500 is here and 500 and 491, what is the difference here? 9. This 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1. And 491 and 63, this is minus 28. That is 3 cube plus 1. 63 and 98, and this is 65. 4 cube plus 1. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1 are the differences. Then what is the wrong number here? 498, and the correct number is 500, choice 5. Question number 36, it is choice 5. Then 37, 1, 2, 6, 21, 88, 450 and so on. Now 2676. As the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, it must be under product or combination, and 6 and 21 cannot be written in the product, hence it must be combination. And 21 and 88 can be written as into 4 plus 4, and here this is into 3 plus 3, and this is 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, into 1 plus 1, that is 2, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 into 3, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 into 4, 84 plus 4, 88. Next one, 88 into 5 plus 5. How much is that? 445. Here the number is 450, that is the wrong number. The correct number is 445 into 5 plus 5. Choice 3. Then question number 38. 9 and 5 can be written as 9 into 0.5 is 4.5 plus 0.5, that is 5, and 5 into 1 plus 1, 6, and 6 into 1.5, 9 plus 1.5, that is 10.5. Next one, 10.5 into 2, 21 plus how much? 0.5 plus 0.5, 21 plus 2. The number must be 23 should be the number. And in the place of 23, as given 24. Next one, 23 into 3.5 plus 3.5, isn't it? Now 23 into 2.5 plus 2.5. What is 23 into 2.5? 23 into 2 is 46, and 23 into 0.5 is 11.5. That must be 57.5. Here it is given as 60. That is the wrong number, and 57.5 is the correct number. Choice 5. Question number 38, it is choice 5. Then, as question number 39. Now, if you observe here, in all these numbers, there is only one decimal, isn't it? Hence, cancel this decimal. That means multiply each of these numbers with 10. 196, 194, 198. Next one is 190 and 206, 172 and 238. Now, if you multiply each of these numbers with 10, these are the numbers. Then 196 and 194. What is the difference here? Minus 2. And what is the next difference between these two? And next one is plus 4 and plus 4. And here it is difference is minus 8. Here plus 16, 2, 4, 8, 16. Next one is so much. And this is 28 plus 6. Here the difference is so much? 34. But it's here how much should be deferred here? How much should be subtracted? 32. Why? Because 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. And if you subtract 32 from this one, the correct number is 174, the wrong number is 172. And the next one is minus plus 32 plus 64, and 64 is 238. Clear now? Now 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 are subtracted and added alternately. Now the wrong number is 172, that is 17.2, choice 3. Then question number 40. Now in this 40, the numbers are in the decreasing order, and so we need to start in the reverse order. 8 and 14 can be written as 8 into 2, 16 minus 2 is 14, and 14 into 2, 28 minus 2, 26, 26 into 2, 52 minus 2, 50, and 50 into 2, 100 minus 2, 98 should be the number. In the place of 98, as given 90, that is the wrong number. 98 into 2, 196 minus 2, 194. That is choice 2. Clear now? Now this is about paper number 675, PO prelim. And the next is 5.